Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs related to plant science. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. The procedure of ANOVA, that is analysis of variance, was evolved by. The procedure of ANOVA was given by R.A. Fisher and he is also known as father of statistics. Name of the vitamin C is. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid and vitamin C is rich in citrus fruits. What is the source of dwarfing gene in rice? The source of dwarfing gene in rice is DGO gene and the source of dwarfing gene in wheat is Norrin-10. What is the main organic acid in pineapples known as? The main organic acid in pineapples is malic acid. Aflatoxins are stable up to the melting point of around. Aflatoxins are stable up to a point of 250 degrees centigrade. What is the fungi which is used for bioassay of biotin? The fungi which is used for bioassay of biotin is Neurospora. A mitogen isolated from maize inbreds is referred as. The mitogen which is isolated from maize is zeatin. The type of spores of Puxina graminis which infect the barberry plant is. The Puxina graminis causes black rust in wheat and the basidiospores are the spores which infect the barberry plant and the uridospores infect the wheat. Viloxanthin is a precursor of. Viloxanthin is a precursor of abscisic acid. National Biodiversity Board in India is situated at. National Biodiversity Board is situated at New Delhi, whereas National Biodiversity Authority is situated in Chennai. The charcoal rot of sorghum is caused by which pathogen? The charcoal rot of sorghum is caused by Macrophomina phaseolina. Moving on to the next question. Null hypothesis was given by which scientist? Null hypothesis was given by R.A. Fisher. Apical dominance in sugarcane is suppressed by. Apical dominance in sugarcane is suppressed by the plant growth hormone cytokinin. Vegetative multiplication through meristems is called as. Vegetative multiplication through meristem culture is mericloning. Seed property that determines its potential for rapid uniform emergence and development of normal seedlings under both favorable and stress conditions is seed vigor. The production of seeds after pollination is known as. The production of seeds after pollination is seed setting. Which design is suitable for evaluating several hundred lines of germplasm? For evaluating the several hundred lines of germplasm, we go for the augmented design. And for the pot cultures, we will go for CRD method. The combination of male and female features in a body of an individual is known as. It is known as sex mosaic and it is also known as gynandromorphs. The nutrient which helps in transfer of sugar in plants is. The nutrient which helps in the transfer of sugar is potassium. The term and explanation of asynapsis was given by which of the following scientists? Asynapsis is a condition where the homologous chromosomes will fail to pair up and the term and explanation of asynapsis was given by Beadle. JNKVK Jabalpur was established in which year? JNKVK, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, was established in the year 1964. Oil content in soybean is. The oil content in soybean is approximately 20% and the protein content is 40%. Which plant hormone is volatile hormone? Ethylene is a volatile plant hormone. Next question. SRI technique of paddy has been evolved at. SRI technique is the system of rice intensification, and it was evolved at Madagascar, whereas the Dapog method was evolved in Philippines. In 1913, information about crisscross inheritance was given by which of the following scientists? When coming to the crisscross inheritance, it is the inheritance of the sex-linked characters that transmit from father to daughter or from mother to son, and this information was given by Bridges. Genes that have no phenotypic effect of their own but change the expression of some oligogenic genes are known as. Such genes which change the expression of the other genes are known as modifying genes. Which of the following two crops are responsible for 75% production of pulses in India? Gram and arhar are the crops which are responsible for 75% production of pulses in India. The smut of finger millet is caused by which of the following pathogen? The smut of finger millet is caused by Melanocytium elucinensis. Next question. Physiological basis of life is? The physiological basis of life is protoplasm, and it was given by Huxley. Nullisomic condition is represented by? Nullisomic condition is represented by 2n-2, and monosomy is represented by 2n-1, whereas trisomy is represented by 2n+1. Who discovered the triangle of Brassica? The triangle of Brassica, that is the Hughes triangle, which will give the information about the evolution of the Brassica species, was given by Nagaharu. In cereals, grain starch consists of? Cereals, the grain starch consists of both amylose and amylopectin. A chemical agent specifically designed or used to kill or inhibit the growth of algae is? To kill or inhibit the growth of the algae, the chemical agent is algicide. The regional laboratory of TFRI in Madhya Pradesh is located at? TFRI is the Tropical Forest Research Institute, and the regional laboratory is located in Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. In 1923, the term point mutations was coined by? When coming to the point mutations, it is the replacement of a single base nucleotide with another nucleotide, and the term point mutations was coined by Bridges. Death of the plant is known as? The death of the plant is known as necrosis. ISTA was established in which year? ISTA is the International Seed Testing Agency, and it was established in the year 1924. Additive genes show which of the following? Additive genes are associated with homozygosity, and they are flexible, and they show lack of dominance. Large collection of germplasm representing materials from various parts of the world is called as? The large collections of germplasm from different parts of the world is known as gene bank. Self-replicating introns are found in? The self-replicating introns are found in rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA genes. In 1924, the term karyotype was coined by? The term karyotype is coined by Levitsky, and the karyotype is the chromosome of a cell arranged according to their length, that is in their descending order, presenting or arranging the chromosome of the somatic complement with their centromeres in a straight line. Hatch and Slack pathway is found in? Hatch and Slack pathway is also called as C4 pathway, and it is found in grasses, maize, sorghum and sugarcane. So the option is maize. Quantitative measures of disease, or the process of measuring disease quantitatively, is known as? It is known as disease assessment. The virus-free clone from a virus-infected plant can be obtained by? The virus-free clones from a virus-infected plant can be obtained by meristem culture, because the meristems are the parts which are free from the virus infection. Dominant genes exhibit? The dominant genes exhibit heterozygosity and also they are non-fixable. Along with that, they show incomplete dominance, complete dominance and over-dominance. So the option is all of the above. Which of the following is the queen of leguminous green fodder? The queen of green fodder is Besim, whereas the king of fodder crops is Lucerne. A group of icosahedral double-stranded DNA virus are called. They are called as adenoviruses. Nitrogenous enzyme is first isolated from. Nitrogenous enzyme is isolated from Clostridium pastörianum. The causal organism of maize smut is. The causal organism of maize smut is Ustilago maydis. Additive variance is related to. Additive variance is related to homozygosity, heritability and transgressive segregation. The first superfine aromatic basmati rice released in India is. It is Pusa RH10. The dwarf variety of rice released in India is. The dwarf variety of rice released in India is Jaya. The chemical that kills bacteria is known as. The chemical which kills bacteria is bactericide, and whereas the chemical which inhibits the bacterial growth is bacteriostatic. Zeatin has been first identified by. Zeatin has been identified by Leatham. The weight in grams of 100 seeds is called. The weight in grams of 100 seeds is seed index. International Center for Agricultural Research in Dry Areas is located at. ICARDA is located in Syria. A History of Agriculture in India was written by. A History of Agriculture in India was written by M.S. Randhawa. Application of potash increases which of the following? The application of potassium will increase the disease resistance in plants. The root knot nematode generally have interaction with Pseudomonas solanacearum. In 1927, the term uniparental inheritance was coined by. The term uniparental inheritance was coined by Wing. The oldest oilseed crop cultivated in India is. The oldest oilseed crop cultivated in India is Sesamum. The scientific name of perfect stage of stem rot of rice is called. The scientific name of perfect stage of stem rot of rice is Leptospermia salvini. Dominance variance is related to. It is related to heterozygosity, outbreeding and hybrid vigor. The famous book Biometrical Genetics was first written by. The book Biometrical Genetics was written by Mather. Genomic imprinting occurs in. Genomic imprinting occurs in plants, animals and human beings. The following among the molecular markers is codominant in nature. SSRs, that is simple sequence repeats, RFLP, that is restriction fragment length polymorphisms. These are the codominant markers. Indian cotton is Gossypium arboreum, whose genome is AA and 2n number is equals to 26. The plant part used for propagation of new individual is called. The plant part which is used for propagation of new individual is propagal. The concept of plant idiotype was first given by. The concept of plant idiotype was given by Donald, and he gave the plant idiotypes of wheat. Central Institute of Fisheries was located at. Central Institutes of Fisheries is located at Kochi. Moving on to the next question. The protein moiety of an enzyme is termed as. The protein moiety of an enzyme is known as apoenzyme, whereas the non-protein part is known as cofactor. Which of the following is called king of coarse grains? The king of coarse grains is sorghum. In which of the following crop a toxic substance called cyanigrin is found? The toxic substance cyanigrin is found in black mustard. Smut of foxtail millet is caused by which pathogen? Smut of foxtail millet is caused by Eustilago carmeri. A physical and chemical agent that frees a plant, organ or a tissue from infection is known as. It is called as disease therapy. In 1965, a handbook of agricultural statistics was authorized by Chandel. In 1928, the term plasmalemma was coined by Plover. The term double reduction was coined by Darlington. Introduction to quantitative genetics was written by Falconer. The canker in pigeon pea is caused by which of the following pathogen? Diplodia kajani is the canker causing pathogen in pigeon pea. Moving on to the next question. Kisan call centers have been functioning since. The Kisan call centers have been launched on January 21st, 2004 and the toll-free number is 1800-180-1551. National Oilseed and Vegetables Oils Development Board was constituted in which year? National Oilseed and Vegetable Development Board was constituted in the year 1984. The precursor of gibberellic acid is? Corine. The hidden variability from homozygotes is released by which of the following? The hidden variability from homozygotes is released by outcrossing. The exudates from ruptured tissues emanating from the vascular system or parenchyma is? The exudates from the ruptured tissues which come from the vascular system is called as sap. Polygenic variability was classified into free and potential variability by Mather. Presence of B line in A line is called pollen shedders. Analysis of polygenic characters is based on variances, means and covariances, whereas the analysis of the oligogenic characters is based on frequencies and ratios. Which of the following trait exhibits continuous variation? Polygenic trait exhibits continuous variation, whereas oligogenic trait exhibits discontinuous variation. And the polygenic characters exhibit continuous variation because they cannot be grouped or differentiated into different clear-cut classes. The disease of onion produced by Ditylincus dipsaci is? The Ditylincus dipsaci causes bloat as it is a bloat causing nematode. Genetic variance refers to? The genetic variance is the inherent or the genetic variability which remains unaltered by the environment conditions, and it consists of additive variance, dominance variance and the epistatic variation. Clear-cut grouping into different classes is possible in? Grouping into clear-cut classes is possible for the monogenic character, oligogenic character and the qualitative character. The concept of metroglyph analysis was developed by? The concept of metroglyph analysis was developed by Anderson. DNA can be denatured by heating at the temperature of? DNA can be denatured by heating at a temperature of 94 degrees centigrade. Eruption or discharge of gum or other substances from diseased tissue is called as? It is called as exanthema. Nuclear polyhedrosis virus is the most effective for the control of? Nuclear polyhedrosis virus is the most effective for the control of Helicoverpa armigera. Precursor of ethylene biosynthesis is? The precursor of ethylene biosynthesis is? The precursor of ethylene biosynthesis is methionine. Diazotrophs are? Diazotrophs fix the nitrogen. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is displayed on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.